Alright, let me down. You know, I'm not right to let me down. In quit and me, I'm in boss me and I'm me boss him. All that coming. All that coming, me not understand, no. Me not understand, no. Me not understand, no.
Yes, I understand you need a rose, but anyways, guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today video I gonna be very lit, as you can see. So please consider subscribe and click that notification bell. We'll see you first. Let me jump in. Hear the prayer, guys. Never read out this tone quick and fast, so we can jump in the video. And this is what Twinman said. I am no longer affiliated with Rose, her kids, or anyone that is close to her. For that matter, from here on out, I will no longer be doing any more of her imitations or videos as I am serving severe ties. So I'm broke all bonds right there, guys. And for persons who still wish to contribute, please reach out to her on her page directly. Look out for more contents coming soon. More love and music for the fans. Alright, guys.
Twinman, me not like what you do. Me not like what you do. That's how I go. I'm a big body. So you need to fire that to me now. We are ungrateful with me for. Me never ungrateful to you. And you make me feel away. I need to tap that. You need to tap it. The thing, man, me love you, I know, but me not like what you do. Thing, man, me not like what you do. You let me down in my family, them. And I me make a bus. No, man, come on. Come on, Tim, man. Looking at yourself at who bought you. And only send the people tell us, say. And I see man bought me. And me making boss. So, Tim, man, I'm not right to say what I want to say. Who is Chinese?
You know, internet for you.
I like what you do. You let me down in my family, them. And I me make a bus. No, man, come on, Tim, man. Looking at yourself at who bought you. And only send the people tell us, say. More know what they go on, you know. More know what they go on. Put Tim man on the life now. Right now, more want him for the life. Tell me.
We turn on the button, more hear people now, we say no. Look at Twinman and Pussy. But the people don't see that. We go see that and we know. Listen, me say, let's come up and come and bring that show place that video and pick up people. Wrong and right. And round let some people start knowing from. I mean, I'm going to buy a span that. Round let some folks. Then he start coming on and so I say, pretty much they robbing up the money. Twinman start other people style and doing roads and get views. And so, you have go up with roads after people that see what you and say, I him go through roads. Which is no, I don't go through roads. The fucking roads, sorry. Yo.
Tim man, me not like what you do. Me not like what you do. That's how I go. I'm a big body. So you need to fire that to me now. We are ungrateful with me for. Me never ungrateful to you. And you make me feel away. I need to tap that. You need to tap it. The thing, man, me love you, I know, but me not like what you do. Thing, man, me not like what you do. You let me down in my family, them. And I me make a bus. No, man, come on, Tim, man. Looking at yourself at who bought you. And only send the people tell us, say. Tim, man, me not like what you do. Me not like what you do. That's how I go. I'm a bad body. So you need to feel that to me now. We are ungrateful with me for. Me never ungrateful to you. And you make me feel away. I need to tap that. You need to tap it. The thing man, me love you, you know, but me not like what you do. Thing man, me not like what you do. You let me down in my family them. And I me make a bus. No man, come on. Come on. Come on, Twinman. Looking at yourself at who bust you and only send the pickle tell us say.
Yeah, man, people, so with all of that said and thing, I just want to know if confirmed there and then said and done. And, well, if it was up to me, I'd done with her too, cause I'm not gonna make nobody style me them way lazy, man. She can't even still make people have her account of text about expert boss me and expert reaching at this, we can't even read. And I talk about she boss Twinman and him to go suck him mother and him a P-U-S-S, you know the rest, isn't it? Them think they wanna take that as a person with sense and make somebody when have no sense out of them. They should look upon it and know say, he might help her if I stop with the case. And lucky somebody a mimic her, cause yeah, that's strong for one look on and view them people, cause them not come with nothing really easy, them I hear that. Isn't it? So the phone with the people, they make it a work. No, really less for me, isn't it, people? So, yeah, man, guys, I hope you enjoy the video and tune in, cause this is the end part, isn't it? Please consider and like, subscribe, and share if you make it to this far in the video. Isn't it? And don't forget to share, isn't it, each and every time, cause that's how we do it, isn't it? So, bless up on yourself. It, man, well on there is the way, and I know the style, isn't it? Yeah, man, artist channel right now where I grow, and still I grow. Remember, share to a friend, that's what the thing said to, isn't it? Yeah, man, bless up YouTube all the time. Well on there. Jamaica Drama Channel, mix up on every single goddamn thing.